budget is a continuation budget, and we hope this budget will bring in more money in people's hand in long term, so that they can utilize for travel purpose. To be specific, in the for tourism, I think government has emphasized on the safety of the railways, improvement of the almost 40,000 bogies throughout railway sector. I think it will upgrade the overall railway sector, and it will promote more people to travel, and definitely it will prepare growth in tourism industry. Add to that, government has talked about touristic center for 60 places. I think it is a good thing, and I hope Goa is able to take advantage of it. Of course, Goa is in forefront in MICE business, and I hope in the detailed analysis of the budget, there is something specific for MICE tourism, that is meeting incentives, conferences. To add to that, we also have been requesting government on the for promotion of inbound tourism. So we hope in the interim budget, with the full-fledged budget, there is some specific in the promotion of inbound tourism into Goa, because that not only brings in the foreign exchange, but it brings in overall growth in all the sectors, and it helps circular economy in big way. As far as infrastructure is concerned, I think as Mr. President just said, I hope Goa government takes advantage of the long-term loan schemes which government of India is providing, and completes the ongoing tourism project which are on. The specific to be, there is a convention center which is coming opposite Paratan Bhavan. I hope we see the completion of it at the earliest. Add to that, the government had announced a bigger convention center at Donapal, so we hope those will see the daylight, one of the in the near future, which will help the growth of tourism industry in Goa. Secondly, the scheme wherein they are talking about the connecting between the ports and the mainland. Of course, it was more specific to luxury pilot, but I think if those things are been worked out with the in detail, I think Goa also can get benefit in big way. Government has also talked about the growth in aviation sector, which they have doubled from almost 75 airports to 149, and still growth will come in. And what we have been seeing, that Goa, with the MOPA coming in, they were talking about Tier 2 and Tier 3 city connectivity. Goa is already getting the more connectivity from Tier 2 and 3 city, which is providing growth, and I hope that continues. Overall, I think we appreciate the efforts of Finance Ministry, and we hope full-fledged budget will have something more to offer to the overall tourism sector.